Hey guys, this is so exciting. My first DIY. I am so excited. So, today we are making some glitter DIY wine bottles. They go perfect for your New Year's Eve or New Year's party and look gorgeous to decorate your table. I cannot wait to get started. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's start with all the supplies that we need. How adorable are these little sparkling cider bottles? I got these from $1 at Dollar Tree. So you need this. You'll need this Modge Podge, a little brush, some triple thick, and some glitter. So I'm going to link all of these items down in my bio so you can find them hassle free. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our sparkling cider, and then we need to get a brush of the Modge Podge. Now this starts off very thick, but you kind of scrape some of the excess off. This is our glue adhesive that will allow the glue to stick to the bottle. So you're going to lightly dab, start from the top, and you want to do even strokes all the way down to the bottom. Next, you're going to want to grab your glitter, and you are going to want to sprinkle it over the bottle. Now it's important that you have this plate because you want to make sure that any excess glitter falls into the plate so you can then in turn reuse it and pour it back into your container. So you don't want any waste. Then I'm going to set the bottle to the side. I'll fold up my plate and funnel the excess glitter back into the bottle for reuse. Like that. Now as you see, some of the spots of the bottle coated better than others. So I'm going to let this glitter layer dry for about 2 hours. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to apply a second coat doing the exact same technique that I just did. So we'll let this dry and then we'll come back. Okay, so we have had some time for our bottle to dry a little bit. So I think we are ready for our next coat. So just like we did before, we're going to repeat the same step over again. So you need to coat your brush with glitter, and you're going to go over the glitter that you currently have. You'll notice that some is going to come off on your brush, but that's okay. Okay, so then I'm going to take my bottle, and it needs to dry for another 2 hours. And then we are going to seal it with the triple thick, so the glitter doesn't shed, so it doesn't come off on your hands or the guest hands for that matter. We don't want shimmery, shiny guests. So we'll let that dry for 20 minutes and then we'll come back and do the final step. Okay, so we are ready for our final step. As you can see, our bottle with the glitter has dried. Now our final step is we are going to apply this triple thick. So it's a brush on gloss glaze that keeps the glitter from rubbing off on your fingers or your hand, getting all over the furniture. It will seal the glitter into the bottle. So again, I'll link this down below so you guys know exactly what product to get. So I've already started adding some to this cup, and you'll notice there's a little bit of glitter in the cup as well. Just so when I'm applying the glaze to there, I'll also be applying just a little bit of glitter. So you can see in there. So it will be kind of a glaze glitter effect. And similar to the Modge Podge that we applied earlier, you're going to gently go from the top to the bottom. And you're going to apply the glaze over the entire bottle. Just like that. And there we go. So I will allow this to dry for about 2 more hours. Here, let me mix it in a little bit more there. To dry for about 2 more hours. And then it will be all done. I'll be back to show you the finished product. All right, guys. So our bottle has finished drying. Look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? Can you guys see the gloss and shine? So what I like to do to add a nice elegant touch, I got this ribbon actually from Michael's, this wired ribbon. And what I'm gonna do is take my glue gun. I put a little glue right on the center, right there. And then I am going to hold it flush against the bottle for about 10 seconds. Just to make sure that it's fully stuck and it won't fall off. And I feel like it adds just a really pretty, elegant touch to it. Kind of finagle with the bow a little bit just to spread it out and make sure that it looks right. And there you have it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. And also feel free to leave me some ideas and tips below in the comments of other content you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching.